Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the Python code for Int Str problem. Now let's read the question. Given three inputs that are stored in the variables a, b and c, you need to print a times and b times in a single line separated by c. So coming to the code, we have the template here, that is a is equal to input, b is equal to input, c is equal to input. So this code represents that A, B and C are in string format. And now let's see what is the code. We should print A times. So it should be as A into A. So since A is in string format, we should first write A, and to print A times, we should convert this A into integer format. So it will be int A. And now let's make this into a parenthesis, and with this we should add the separator, which is plus c plus, and inside another parenthesis we are going to make b into int b. So why we are converting this into integer is to make it into an integer, and we have to print b times. Now let's compile and run the code. So this compilation got completed, and now let's submit. So all the test cases got passed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, drop in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.